Under the Swadesh Darshan scheme, the Donapal jetty was renovated. I was under the impression that once it was renovated, it would be used for the locals. But unfortunately, there's a gate that has been erected there, and now the locals cannot use the jetty. The same jetty used to be open throughout for decades. Now it is closed at 8 p.m. So, Speaker Sir, the locals cannot use it. They are stopped at the gate. They used to go there fishing or even just go for a leisurely walk. It is not only the locals of Donapal, but like almost everyone from Goa used to visit there. And now I understand the importance of tourism and making Goa a preferred destination and trying out various things to bring Goa on the map as one of the places that people should come to. But I don't think it should be done at the cost of the locals. Speaker Sir, I would like the Minister to look into this, because I have also heard that the jetty, the part of the jetty, is given out on a contract to someone for holding events. Now the locals there do not want these events to happen there. So I would like the Minister to just clear this and tell me exactly what is in his mind. Another point that I would like to bring to is about introducing EV vehicles, electric vehicles from the parking lot to the jetty. So especially during this season or during the summer season, the people park their cars on top and then have to walk all the way down to the jetty. So I think there was also a plan to start EVs. So Minister may also like to tell me about the EV vehicles. Another request I have for the Minister was cleaning of the Karanzalam beach. So right now the beach is being cleaned at Miramar, but from the border of Miramar up to Karanzalam, there's no beach cleaning that is done, and that work is taken up by the corporation right now. But they do not have the equipment, and maybe mechanical cleaning of the beach also might help in this area. So Minister may please take note of that.